All right, we're about to start our review, our study of chapter 2, section 8. So it's section 2.8. And as always, whenever we start a section, we always start with the learning target. The learning target for today is to look for patterns to solve problems. Got a couple of examples for you here. If you look at this problem, it says the table below shows the amount of interest that $3,000 would earn after 7 years at varying interest rates. Right. So if we look at the table, if we had 1% interest rate for 7 years, we'd earn $210. If we had 2%, we'd earn 240, and so on down the table. If we look at the difference, what's the difference between there and there? The difference is $210. The difference between here and here, $210. The difference between here and here, $210. The difference between here and here, $210. It looks like we have a pattern going there. If I wanted to know, like the question asks, how much interest would the $3,000 earn after the 7 years at 6%? Well, I think I can just fill out the table, and I can say the difference is $210 more, which would be $1,260. So it's those kind of patterns that we're going to look for. Looking at the next table, this is a different dollar amount. Shows the amount of interest that would be earned by $5,000 after 3 years. $5,000 after 3 years. Well, if we look at our table again, we can see it's $150 to 300, so the difference is 150. 300 to 450, the difference is 150. 450 to 600, the difference is 150. 600 to 750 is again 150. It looks like it goes up $150 for each year that we add, or for each percentage rate that we add. So if we, here they're asking us for 7% interest rate. If I went to 6% interest rate, it should be $150 more, or $900. If I go to 7% interest rate, it should be another $150 more, or $1,050. $1,050.